Welcome back to our Function Store tutorial video series. In this video, we are covering the use of policies. As always, we're going to have to go in and log in. Our policies are middlewares, a fragment of code that runs before the function runs itself. These policies can implement validation functionalities that provide features like security, resolve external data, and in this video example, keeping your functions warm. For now, we have only implemented policies in callable functions. First, let's go ahead and see how you can add a policy to a function. In this example, we'll be installing the getConnectedAccount function, which can be found right here. This function will retrieve the data of the connected account for the current logged in user. Stripe connected accounts are very popular for marketplaces and platforms. Stripe connected accounts are used in apps like Lyft, Shopify, GitHub, and even within Function Store itself. But a common issue with Firebase and GCP Cloud Functions is cold starts. This can be frustrating for users, as sometimes they have to wait upwards of 15 seconds for the function to fire if it hasn't been called within the last 15 minutes. So one solution to this issue is to use our policy keep warm, which will run a cloud scheduler to prevent your function from going cold. So let's go ahead and see how we can implement this. Again, we're going to go find a callable function. In this case, and in this example, we'll use getConnectedAccounts. We'll go ahead and install. We'll select our project. Add our API key, which we'll be using our secret manager. And right at the bottom here, you'll see policies. And to add a policy, you just have to click this plus button. It will open up this window and you'll see all the different types of policies we have available in our system. Some policies check if you have certain permissions and roles, but the one we're interested in is keeping warm. And you can learn a little bit more about how it works right here. Once you've read the documentation and understand how the function works, go ahead and click Add. And right there, you can see that you can configure the keep warm policy right here. Finally, what we want to show you is how to remove a policy. If you hover over the policy you've added, you can click Remove. And to add it back, just repeat the steps of opening up Add Policy, click the policy you'd like, and click Add. It's important to note that you can actually add more than one policy to a function. So maybe you only want to provide the getConnectedAccount link to certain permissions or certain roles. That can all be done with policies. When you're satisfied with the policies you want to add to a function, you can go ahead and click Install. And now, as we send that install request for your project, that policy will be added before your function runs. And in this example, now you don't have to worry about cold starts for the getConnectedAccount function because we'll be keeping it warm with our policy. For more information about this, you could check out our documentation down here and scroll over to Policies. And of course, if you need any more help, feel free to reach out to our support team.